Welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on a 2014 Chevy Traverse and we are changing the battery. And you might ask yourself, why are we inside the car? Well, this panel right here, the battery is under it. So in order to access this panel, we're going to have to remove this plastic trim piece and then take the screw out, which is a T20 Torx. So I'm going to go ahead and disassemble this real quick. Alright, there's the panel removed. Got the screw removed. And here you can see the battery is right here. So I'm going to go ahead and disconnect the negative terminal. We can go ahead and loosen the cable. Alright, and now it's getting kind of dark in here. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. There's two tabs right here. If you pinch those together and let the fire truck pass by, Alright, so now that we have access there, there's another 10mm bolt or nut right here. Go ahead and loosen that. Okay. Okay, so the battery pretty much loose. We'll go ahead and make some room for ourselves and disconnect anything that's going to be in the way of us moving this battery out. And then we have a battery hold down, which is of course not a 10mm because that's the only socket I brought. So I'm going to go grab some sockets and I'll let you know what size that is and I'll show it to you. Alright, so the battery hold down is right there and it is a 13mm. So I'm going to put you back on the tripod, pull that out, and then we'll get the battery out. Alright, so now it's time to take the battery out. It's probably going to be a little heavy. And there is a vent hose hooked up to it. Well, here's the trick. Pull the vent tube fitting off the side. That should help. Yeah, toast. Holy cow. If that had a handle on it, it would have been a whole lot easier. So you probably can't see on here, but this was made in February 2014. Again, this is a 2014 Traverse. So this is the original battery. Pretty sure it was time to go. Alright, so I'm going to get this one out of the way, get the new one in, drop it in place, and get it all hooked up. So if you remember that vent that we pulled off, it will attach right here, and I'm going to wait until I get this in place to put that on, and I'll show you a close-up of it. So here we go. So for the battery hold down, if you look down there, you can see the metal is coming out this way toward the battery. Just make sure it's all the way up against there, and then we'll get the battery hold down in. Right there. Before I get that tightened all the way down, I want to get the vent tube back in the battery. Just kind of twist it back and forth so it goes in. Grab the vent tube, plug it back in. There we go. And then we'll start with the positive cable. And I think at this point I'll put you back on the tripod. I'll also go ahead and hook up this wire here. Retighten. Make sure it's not loose. Okay. So now it's time to put it back together. And then we'll just place this panel back in place. Alright, we'll go ahead and make sure it starts. Okay, well, we'll do some adjustments on his radio, get it back to where it's supposed to be. Right, so that was the battery installation on a, I think this covers 2009 to 2017 Chevy Traverse. But anyway, what you need is a 10mm socket, a 13mm socket, and at least probably a 6-inch extension. More if you have it. I had a 6-inch plus a 3-inch to get the battery hold down, and T20 Torx. That's all you need to change the battery, and a little bit of patience. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this was helpful. If it was, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. And if you have anything on a Traverse that you need done, let me know. I'll be doing a brake job on this as well, and I've already done an oil change. So I'll put a link to the playlist in the comments below. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching.